In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add colored volume bars in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your volume bars are easier to read and much more visually informative. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. This can be any market or time frame you like. The process will be the same. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies menu, which is where all the built-in tools and custom scripts live. When the Indicators window appears, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. The search box is the fastest way to find what you need without scrolling through long lists. Once your cursor is active in the box, type in colored volume bars or simply volume if you want to explore related options. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the available indicators for you. Now, look through the search results and locate the colored volume bars style you want to use. Many volume-based indicators in TradingView color the bars automatically, typically matching the color of the corresponding candle or highlighting increases and decreases in volume. When you find the one that fits your needs, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart and you should see your volume bars update with color. You can usually customize how these bars look by hovering over the indicator name in the chart legend and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, line thickness, or other style properties to match your chart theme. Taking a moment to fine-tune these settings can make your chart cleaner and help key moves stand out more clearly. If you want to use these colored volume bars with added features and a smoother experience, consider upgrading to TradingView Pro. There is an affiliate link provided in the description of this video that you can use to sign up for TradingView Pro. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks pro-level benefits like more indicators on a single chart, additional alerts, and an overall more powerful charting setup. And that's it. You've learned how to access the Indicators menu, use the search box effectively, and apply colored volume bars to your TradingView Pro charts.